Let's make some graphic tees. Back in 2023, I made this video about making your own graphic tee, and then celebrities on t-shirts were the big thing, but now we have moved more to simple text and type-based t-shirts. So I'm going to show you how you can find an inspiration like these Budweiser shirts and make something of your own extremely easily, and how you can turn a simple Canva graphic into a graphic tee. Let's get into it. So you need three things. You're gonna need your inspiration, assets, and a Canva template to make a t-shirt easily and freely. Let me show you how. First, we need some inspiration so we can know what type of images we're gonna look for in Canva and what type of base we're gonna look for. You can search t-shirts, you can search flyers, Instagram, it doesn't matter. As long as you find some text and a look of a template that you like, you can make it into a t-shirt. It doesn't matter what you use. This Sunday Run Club is easily going to be turned to Sunday Drinking Club, and we had the Budweiser inspiration, so I'm looking for beer. This is all in Canva. This is not any outside assets. This is just me finding something that I think is going to look cool on a t-shirt. Once you find an image that looks good, it's going to be easy to erase the background. That's exactly what you do. Remove the assets that don't work, add the assets that do. A matter of just resizing things. Now, this is not a basic how to do things Canva tutorial. This is just showing you how you can easily turn a template into a wearable t-shirt that you could see sold for $80 on ASOS or Urban Decay or Urban Outfitters. So you see how easy this was to add a little offset to the lettering. And then even in Canva now, you can get t-shirts printed if you wanted to. I don't know the quality or the price, but just like that, we have made the Sunday Drinking Club t-shirt, and this will be sold for $80 on Urban Outfitters, literally. I know you're thinking to yourself, how am I gonna sell these graphic tees? Well, the best way to sell anything on the internet is with the email marketing campaign. Let me show you how Hoppy Copy is a perfect place to get that done and easy. If you're not familiar, Hoppy Copy is an AI-powered tool designed to simplify and enhance email content creation for business marketing. It's modern AI-first email marketing platform that helps people quickly switch from places like MailChimp, and here's why. It's like MailChimp meets ChatGPT plus Canva, but smarter. You're able to instantly make high converting emails and newsletters, no jumping in between tools, because you can write, design, and send from all one workflow. We have AI brand memory and real-time newsletter automation. You have spam-proof emails so that you can optimize content for inbox delivery, and my favorite tool, competitor spying. You can track newsletters from any brand to see exactly what they're doing and how you can implement their email marketing strategy for your own brand. Now, this is crucial for anyone starting a small business, because this is how you're going to get sales, and Hoppy Copy makes it so easy for anyone to use. Make sure you use my link down below to get started. So in order to make a shirt like this, you need assets. You need a picture of a car and fonts. This is how you can do it multiple ways. Create a Fabrica. They have all types of assets that you can purchase and download for about $3 a month, and you can get your muscle car this way and add it to your t-shirt. Or you can do something like Midjourney, where you can type in a prompt and then it will give you pictures that respond to the prompt, and you can play with that until you find something that you really like and use that for your t-shirt so that it is unique. Next thing, which is pretty simple, is just going into Canva. You go look for a car t-shirt template, and it's going to give you a template that all you have to do is plug in the items that you want to in order to make this happen, which is very, very easy once you find a template that you like. Like I said, once you do a template that you like, always make sure that you have your inspiration pulled up, and now it's just a matter of putting in your assets onto that already pre-made template. And you can see all I'm doing is just changing fonts, moving things around, changing colors, and making sure that it looks good just like a t-shirt would. So just a matter of making sure that everything aligns and adding some assets. You can type in race car, race stripes, whatever the theme is of your shirt, and you can add Canva assets into it as well. Once you do this, and it's just a matter of moving things around to your liking, and I'm not doing anything crazy here, guys. I'm picking out pictures, taking them from the Canva graphics and seeing what looks the best. Once you play with this some, you'll be able to get a t-shirt that you really like, and just like that, you have a graphic tee that you can go ahead and print and purchase or sell. So this is our inspiration, and I'm going to show you how easy it is to find something and create. So again, we just went with another template from Canva, and I'm using this Tequila Sunrise shirt as my inspiration. So you don't have to do something exactly like it, and you can always use a template to play around with fonts, words, colors. I'm taking the number locations from this shirt to make my new shirt so it has that same vibe, but I'm going to be using different elements. Now, the wine glass that you see from here, when we learned about in the assets portion, is from Creative Fabrica, and I wanted to incorporate like an outside asset so you guys can see how you can use a Canva template with outside assets and inspiration to make your own really custom t-shirt. So I went and like looked for the oranges to kind of put the oranges on the t-shirt and kind of really copy that one just like how it is, but I decided no, I don't really like that. Let me find some other assets. So I went and actually found some drink assets from Creative Fabrica. Those were really, like I said, those are inexpensive. They're like $3 for the month, and you can use it, download as many things as you want. And that's how I came up with this t-shirt. Like you see, I didn't change much on the actual template, but I did go ahead and use the coloring and my own assets to make it cute. So after I played around with this some, it pretty much made it look like what I thought I wanted it to look like. It just shows you how easy it is to make something like this. And guys, the shirt that I used as an inspiration was selling on ASOS for $50, so you can easily make your own custom design like this and sell your shirts for $50 as well. They look exactly the same. Once I get it printed, you won't be able to tell the difference. I always recommend Printful to print out your graphic tees because they have really high quality direct to garment printing, and they have a wide range of items and also sizes and colors. So getting your graphic tee made is super easy and it's under $20. You go on Printful, you find the t-shirt that speaks to you best, the cut, the color, all that good stuff. After that, all you literally have to do is select the color of the shirt, the size, and upload your image. It's super easy. Once you upload your image and you place it on the t-shirt, it's actually going to give you everything that you need to either post it on your site, post it on your Instagram or whatever. The process is super easy. Like I said, once you upload, you're pretty much done, and then it'll give you some mock-ups of the t-shirt, so that it's very easy for you to begin selling right then and there. If you have like a Shopify, it's super easy to connect the site to Shopify so you can sell it that way. But just a matter of uploading the image. Like you see, we do the Sunday Drinking Club. Upload that. You can see a mock-up of your design. You can make any little tweaks that you want to make. And just like that, you can see how your shirt is going to look, and it's going to, once you print it out, it's going to look just like this. This looks like a shirt that was selling ASOS, Urban Outfitters, all the sites, PacSun for $80. So this is how you could easily make an updated graphic tee and get it made for under $20. You see that $18.68. Now, if you stick around for my next video, I'm going to show you how I actually make my own graphic t-shirts in-house using my DTF printer from Pro Colored. So subscribe so you can check that out. I'll also leave down below places that you can use print on demand so you can get your t-shirts printed without any equipment required and get those sent to you, directly to you or to your customer. And everything that you'll need to get started will be linked down below. How was this tutorial? What type of t-shirts are you guys going to be making, and how are you going to be printing your shirts? Because now there are so many options for you to do printing that is really up to you. My name is Akira. See you in the next one.